Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome. In this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Tuesday, July the 28th, 2020. Yes. The fourth puzzle is a binary puzzle. And this binary puzzle, let me focus this. Here. This will be a number 1, 2, 4, 1. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one, we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here an O, there an O, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I need to look for a 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in a column. Not allowed. So the O cannot be here. It should be a 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then then I need to compare. Yes. Which? The question is which? Yes, this one. This column and that column. O, empty box. Empty box, 1, 1. O, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there, so this should be a 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Now I have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4, between two 1s comes an O. Then another compare. Here, another compare. Let me see. Double 1, double O. Do we have a double O here? No. No. Double O here. Yes. This one. And that one. This column. 1, 1, O, 1, 1, empty box. Empty box, 1, 1, O, O. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, we have a 1. Oh, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Can I compare again? Let me see. 101, 101, yes. This again. Yeah. And this again. One, one, oh, oh, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1. Empty box, oh, oh. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one. So see you later and bye bye for now.